Imagine having a personal financial advisor at your fingertips, helping you grow your wealth and achieve your long-term goals, but without the hefty fees and complicated jargon. And that's exactly what SoFi Invest promises with its user-friendly investment platform. But is it really the best option out there, or is it just a flash in the pan? And in this review, I'll dive into the features, pricing, and pros and cons of using SoFi Invest. So let's start with the basics. SoFi Invest offers a wide range of investment options, including individual stocks, ETFs, and fractional shares. And with a $0 minimum balance requirement, anyone can get started. The platform also offers a unique feature called Stash, which allows users to invest small amounts of money into a variety of pre-curated portfolios, each with its own unique theme and investment strategy. And while SoFi Invest is primarily designed for self-directed investors, the platform also offers a range of educational resources and tools to help users make informed investment decisions. But what about the pricing? SoFi Invest offers a commission-free trading experience, and with no management fees or hidden costs, users can keep more of their hard-earned money. The platform also offers a range of pricing plans, including a free option with limited features, a standard plan for $3 per month, and a premium plan for $11 per month, which includes additional features such as advanced reporting and tax loss harvesting. And while SoFi Invest has received generally positive reviews from users, some have complained about the lack of human customer support and the difficulty in navigating the platform's more advanced features. Overall, SoFi Invest is a solid option for self-directed investors looking for a user-friendly and affordable investment platform. But as with any investment, it's essential to do your own research and carefully consider your individual financial goals and risk tolerance.